Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very popular, flavorful and aromatic chicken recipe called Thai green chicken curry. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. We will need 5 shallots, 9 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of lemongrass, some galangal or Thai ginger and a chunk of ordinary ginger, 3 to 4 dry kaffir lime leaves, a handful of green chilies, a large bunch of coriander leaves, the juice of a lime, some white peppercorns, some coriander seeds and some mace or javitri, a bit of palm sugar, coconut milk, shrimp paste, and 4 chicken legs skinned and halved into thighs and drumsticks. Let's make the Thai green curry paste. In a blender, add the ginger, garlic, galangal, lemongrass, shallots, chilies, coriander leaves, kaffir lime leaves, lime juice, and the whole spices. Blend them all together with a bit of water to a fine paste. Add some oil in a pot. Add the green curry paste into it. And fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring the pot. Now it's time to add the shrimp paste into the pot. I will also add a bit of fish sauce into the pot now. Mix everything and fry till the water evaporates and the oil starts surfacing. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces into the pot. Fry the chicken with the paste for a few minutes. Keep stirring the pot. Then add salt according to your taste. Mix it in and continue frying till the chicken changes color. I will add a bit of water to the blender so that none of the paste is wasted. Let's add the water to the pot. Give it a mix. Now add the coconut milk into the pot. Blend everything together. The coconut milk has all blended in, and now we are going to add the palm sugar into the pot. Give the pot a stir. Add enough water to cook the chicken. Bring it to a boil, cover the pot and cook on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off and check to see if the chicken is nice and tender, and it is. And our Thai green chicken curry is done. Let's plate up this delicious and aromatic chicken curry. Garnish with slit red chilies for a bit of drama. Try this signature Thai green chicken recipe with some steamed or boiled rice or with noodles, fried or otherwise. This is one of my favorite chicken curries because of its beautiful aroma and layers of flavor. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!